33,000 Kaspa coins or iPhone 15 Pro Max. Don't be stupid. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to do our typical daily update about what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price, in the rank, the market cap. We're about to see the technical side, we're about to see the Hashrate, the top addresses, we're about to see all of these things that we typically watch every day. And also I'm gonna have a special outro at the end of the video, a special part about the celebration of 5,000 subscribers. I had to do a special video like 33,000 Kaspa coins or iPhone 15 Pro Max. And the video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to speak for a proper mindset that you need to have to become wealthy. Okay, if you're looking for wealth, you need to have proper mindset. And if you are willing to move in that path, you need to apply a couple specific things. Anyway, if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that we are going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload videos around Kaspa where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around the Kaspa. So it's going to be very beneficial for you to get this news by first hand. And also guys, I would like to introduce you our WealtNET group with elite investors. You can clearly see these prices are only for the first 50 people. Subsequently, and as the bull run gonna come, as the people gonna raise, as the channel gonna raise, these prices are gonna look to you so funny. I would like you to see that as an investment because you're going to realize that in 1 year from now, in 2 years from now, these prices are going to look like you're buying Kaspa at 0.00001 cent. Okay. And for those who don't know what is WealthNET, it's a group designed to help you to build a proper investing mindset, a community where you will be able to build connections with like-minded people, millionaires, crypto YouTubers, entrepreneurs, crypto experts. We got everything in that group, okay? Learn from experienced people who have already succeeded in the crypto field and now enjoy a wealthy life. You'll receive an investing guidance, and with a proper supportive community of the group, you will be able to reach a new level of wealth in your life, and also you will avoid mistakes that people with years experience have made in the past. Surround yourself with sharks, not with fishes and shrimps. Okay. And here guys, as you can clearly see, the 1 year access has all of these benefits. Also gonna have private live streams inside of that group of the WealthNET, which is gonna be fire. Okay, it's highly recommended. We're gonna speak for very different things, not only for crypto, but how you, for example, to handle your profits of the bull run of 2025. What you should do with these profits. Okay, we're gonna discuss lots of interesting things, but the lifetime access is gonna have even more benefits. Okay, you're gonna be a main contributor of the group, and also going to have access to make money, voting power, priority DMs, access to private video calls one-to-one, and many other very helpful benefits. So these prices are like in a discount, okay? Like we have Black Friday, and the positions, guys, because the group is officially today live, are getting closer to 50 people. So get hurry because the price is going to raise after the 50 people, and you're going to have to pay more to enter. It's like an investment, clearly. Okay, it's like you don't buy Kaspa at 0.01 cent and you buy at 2 cents. The payment is yearly or lifetime, to clarify that. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with our typical update about what happened since yesterday. Guys, as you can clearly see, Kaspa is starting in a pullback, 0.047 cents, but the market cap remains very strong, 1 billion. Okay, don't say that this is something crazy or whatever, because we are still above 1 billion, which is very powerful. Okay, obviously it happened a pullback because also Bitcoin has a pullback and the world crypto market right now has a pullback, so it's very obvious for Kaspa too. Guys, I would like to tell you here before we move into a more update that listen, here when we reach a new all-time high, people have fear because in Bitcoin right now, the situation is stable. Okay, if Bitcoin right now had a PAM into, let's say, above $30,000, the situation here, it could be quite different. Kaspa is doing a bull run while the world crypto market remains in a bear market, which is crazy. Okay, Kaspa is doing a bull run, new all-time high in a bear market, and again, and we are very close to get under top 40 coins without being backed by top tier exchanges. That says a lot about the power of Kaspa. Okay, Kaspa is so powerful. Kaspa is not backed by Binance, Coinbase, like the other competitors of Kaspa that is studying in ranked 30, ranked 20 areas. And Kaspa is studying only by 3-4 exchanges and only by the community. Diamond hands. That's very powerful. You need to realize that before actually Kaspa will be accessible in any exchange, because at that time Kaspa, I believe personally, is going to be under top 15, under top 20. Easy under top 15, under top 20. You're gonna freak out where Kaspa will be when it's gonna be listed in all crypto exchanges. Even in the bear market, I'm expecting if Kaspa will be listed in all these exchanges, top tier exchanges, it can be easy above Litecoin, above Shiba Inu, above Chainlink, above Polygon. It can happen very, very easy. Right now, for example, Litecoin has got 4 billion. It's nothing to be flipped. Okay, it's nothing to be flipped, but Litecoin has 10 more exchanges than Kaspa. You're gonna realize by yourself when Kaspa will be listed in very, very famous exchanges, how big difference will be with how many people gonna invest in Kaspa, okay, and the exposure that Kaspa will have at that point. Anyway, let's move into the technical side, because right now, guys, as you can clearly see, after this huge drop that we saw, we broke this significant resistance, which was very crucial and very acceptable for me. Okay, I was waiting to see the breakout. I have warned you for that lots of times that, guys, be ready, because here we had the head and shoulder, this disaster head and shoulder that most people believed back in the days that gonna collapse Kaspa at 1 cent. And I was telling you that Kaspa would break to the upside, and as it broke, you can clearly see we broke this resistance and we moved into uptrend movement, and we reached a new all-time high at 0.054 cents, which happened yesterday. More specifically, and right now the situation is looking that we have a lot of fear, lots of selling pressure, as typically we have the paper hands, the traders that are fearful and they are selling like crazy. So the situation here from the technical side, if we're gonna break this uptrend support, it's looking bearish. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, but we don't care about the short term. We don't care. We are here as an investors. We don't care for the short term. If it's gonna drop at lower price, maybe we're gonna buy. Okay, we're gonna buy heavy. So we don't care for the short term, even if Kaspa gonna drop. But for those people who believe that Kaspa, if gonna drop, it's gonna drop like at 2 cents, 3 cents again, I have bad news for you, because Kaspa, I don't believe even if it's possible to break the 4 cents area. Okay, it's very, very hard. This 0.042 cents is very hard to break. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is very hard to break. Not impossible, but it's very hard. Okay, right now Kaspa has more and more exposure. That's why we saw another new all-time high in this current situation of the Kaspa. But as a general, the majority of people are diamond hands. Even miners are diamond hands. Lots of ASIC miners are diamond hands, and they should be diamond hands if they are looking for price appreciation, because monthly their rewards has a reduction due to the smart rapid emission schedule plan of Kaspa, and which Kaspa, as you know, has halving every month, not every 4 years like Bitcoin. So for miners to keep this profitability for the long run, they need price appreciation. That's why they won't sell their Kaspa. Okay, that's why they won't sell their Kaspa. Anyway, guys, let's see how we're gonna react here. We are still in this uptrend. If we're gonna break that, maybe we're gonna get into the next to the very, very strong support. But I will have to tell you here that Kaspa is looking that if it's gonna drop, we're gonna move into a fall wedge pattern, and there is a massive probability to bounce into this very, very strong support and break the resistance and get straight to the upside. And the question here that you're gonna tell me that, Chris, do you suggest to sell and buy at 0.042? No, I don't suggest you to do these risky things, because your goal should be in the long run. If Kaspa gonna drop to 0.042 cents, just buy at that price. Don't do these swing trades, because this is a false mentality. Even if you're gonna catch a good trade like that, the majority of these trades are gonna be in a loss. I can guarantee you for that. Don't do these stupid things. It's only for very professional guys. One of 100 guys are successful to these things. The rest 99 guys that you watch are actually making money by promoting you the affiliate links, not from the trades alone. Okay, don't be stupid. Anyway, let's move into the next part, which is the hash rate. Guys, hash rate right now 22.8485 petahash per second. Very, very strong. You can clearly see how we raised in the hash rate. Guys, the highest hash rate that we saw, it happened yesterday with 25.5 petahash per second. Kaspa is being very, very powerful. We almost saw 5 times more. We had 5 petahash per second early days of August. Right now is 25 petahash per second. And as you can clearly notice, it's going exactly as I was waiting for until the end days of September. I told you that we're going to see hash rate very close or even above 30 petahash per second. And we are getting there, and that's very powerful for the stability of the network, of the Kaspa network. And also Bitmain will make another batch of ASICs, so in the future we're going to have more hash rate. And let's get straight into the top addresses. As you can clearly see in the categories, nothing changed since yesterday. We lost only one whale. The rest categories are still in accumulation, so that's. And from the exchanges, as you can clearly notice, Get.io bought some more Kaspa. Get.io are about to get above 700 million Kaspa coins, and I believe Mixi also bought some, if I don't do any mistake. The rest addresses remain the same. Nothing changed from the top addresses. We are almost the same the last couple days, with some reductions and accumulations back and forth. That's it, nothing more than that. And right now, guys, let's go into the main topic of the video. 33,000 Kaspa coins or iPhone 15 Pro Max. Don't be stupid, okay? So let's start. iPhone 15 Pro Max right now costs $1,599, and the 33,000 Kaspa actually cost the same amount, okay? Almost the same amount. So the difference here is that the iPhone Pro Max will have, since the time that you will buy it, a price depreciation. Since the time that you're going to buy it, the price, if you're going to resell it, it's going to be lower, okay? And from the other side, your Kaspa, your 33,000 Kaspa will have price appreciation for the next 2 years or even more, okay? But I will take the scenario of 2 years, okay? Not the craziest scenario, 10 years, because in 10 years, the iPhone Pro Max, maybe it's going to cost $100, nothing more than that. Anyway, if you sell your iPhone Pro Max in 2 years from now, you will get back approximately $700 within $900 if it's going to be in a good condition, which means that there is also probability to lose it, to break it, or someone to steal it, okay, and actually going to get wrecked completely, like a rug pull. Anyway, if you sell your 33,000 Kaspa coins in 2 years from now, you will get back minimum 100x your money back, which is the bearish case for me for Kaspa, and 300x your money back as a conservative. And actually I didn't put here the bullish case because people are gonna freak out, which means even without caring if you're going to lose, to break it, or someone to steal it, and yes, it can happen if you leave your Kaspa in web wallet, desktop wallet, or crypto exchanges, put it in cold storage now. Your $1,599 now can be worth in the future, in 2 years from now, $159,000 within $300,000, which is astonishing, okay? This is something that can happen once in your lifetime, especially with a project like Kaspa. It's quite different. It's not like the other altcoins where you can actually gamble your money if it's gonna happen 100x or not. Kaspa is almost inevitable for me, personally, not financial advice. For me, it's almost inevitable to get there, okay, to 100 to 300 billion, from 100 billion up to 300 billion easy by the next 2 years. This is the way that people with the proper mindsets think about, okay? This is how you should think about. If you're broke now, instead of buying something that will give you price appreciation in the next coming years, you will buy something that will have price depreciation just because to flex on your friends or either to enjoy the applications or whatever. Sorry, brother, you will stay broke forever. Okay, you will work for money forever, or in other words, you will be slave forever. Wealthy mindsets are willing to sacrifice now to enjoy later. People who have been slaves for their whole lives are doing exactly the opposite. They enjoy now because they are not willing to sacrifice. And later on, they are going into slavery and misery harder. Because the economy is going from bad to worse, inflation is in the roof, we are about to see collapse in our global economy, everything goes up in prices, and even to live, just to maintain, guys, yourself, your house, your bills, is about to be very, very, very difficult. Even now it's difficult. Imagine in the next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, it's going to be even more difficult than now. The things are very bad, guys, and it's getting worse. And instead to put your precious money into assets that are about to have price appreciation in the future, like Kaspa or Bitcoin or whatever, you're buying bullshits just to flex or just for the enjoyment of now. And here I close this topic. Please, guys, don't be stupid. Create a shark mindset and build your discipline. That's going to make you wealthy. I know buying Kaspa right now may not give you the satisfaction of enjoyment now as iPhone 15 Pro Max, because also you will need to build your patience and wait at the same time. But I almost can guarantee you that if you're willing to walk in this path, the prosperity of your life will be inevitable. And if you're gonna do that, guys, in 2025, you're gonna be able to buy like from 100 iPhone 15s up to 300 iPhone 15s if you are willing to do this. Right now, you can only enjoy only one iPhone 15 Pro Max, but in the 2025, you can enjoy up to 100 iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Crypto Chris. This is a special video for the 5,000 subscribers, and I would like to tell you here, thank you from the bottom of my heart that we reached the 5,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me, and this is only the beginning. Mark my words, I will never disappoint you. You're about to see lots of things in this channel. Mark my words, live streams and lots of educational content, which is going to be very useful and very unique. You will never see anywhere else the infos that I'm going to share with you on this channel. This is only the beginning, and let's get into the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa. Guys, I store my Kaspa in a cold storage. I prefer and I recommend you touch the wallet. Immediately put your Kaspa or your cryptos, whatever, in a cold storage, even if it's not the Tajam wallet. Okay, but for the people who ask me, Chris, what do you use? I use Tajam wallet. Okay, after heavy investigation, I ended up that Tajam wallet is the best one. And with a discount code CryptoChris, you're gonna have extra 10% discount, or by clicking here the link, you're gonna have this CryptoChris discount code applied immediately, so you can buy without write something. Highly, highly recommended. Okay, guys, highly recommended. Don't leave your cryptos in hot wallets, desktop wallets, whatever, all of these wallets, only in cold storage, and obviously not in exchanges. Okay, this is risky too. That's the video. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means so much to me, and I will see ya all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.